Hello guys, what is up? I am now bringing you a review on a particular website here called Ted's Woodworking. Ted's Woodworking here, as you can see, as you can hear, is a site with 16,000 plans to woodworking projects. It has an introductory video
my
here,
name is Ted McGrath,
as you can see.
and today I'm
And
going to show you how you can...
if you watch this video here, shows you things about plans that you can use to build stuff. As you can see here, it has a bunch of testimonials from people. You can look here at some of this stuff right here. This is absolutely cool. Is that a bed there? I think that's some kind of bed frame maybe. Or some kind of shelf maybe. I'm not sure what that's being used for. Picnic table, lawn chairs, just plain downright cool outdoor stuff. Looks like it's a woodworking bench there. There's a nice smooth finish on it. Lots of cool stuff there. Oh, I love the puzzle pieces. That's pretty awesome right there. So this site here. Oh, nice castle style there. This site here is a legitimate site. It does have plenty of stuff to do. And as you can see here, it has just a pile of categories of stuff you can build. Now, if you're a woodworker like I am, you will like this site. 16,000 plus number of plans, and it's been it's been sold. 24,000 customers have been happy with this, and as you can see, based on what they know, there's been over 170,000 different projects that have come from this particular thing. Now, the cool part about these plans is they are revisable and customizable to fit your own place and your own needs. And with a little creativity, you can make your own version of, let's say, this picnic table right here, or this chicken coop slash wood storing facility, or this large 6-person bunk bed set. So I would recommend you guys check this out. I'm going to leave a link down in the description for this site. If you are a woodworker, I would recommend it highly. If you like this video and would like to receive reviews on other sites, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.